Hello everyone. Today I am explaining about the project Online Eye Clinic. This is the home page of the project. Now let's see the database server. That is MySQL database server is used here. The database name is Online Eye Clinic and it includes 10 tables. The first table is admin. This includes the details of the administrator of the software. Appointment table, this includes all the appointments made by the patients to the doctors. Branch includes the various branches of the clinic. Doctor includes all the details of the doctors who work in various branches. Doctor bill includes the salary report of the doctors. Under orders, the orders made by the patients, that is for the specs for the lens and other eye related products. Patient includes the patient details, that is the details of all the registered patients. Under prescription, the prescriptions or the medications given by the doctors are included. Under products, the various products available in various branches is stored in this table. Test includes all the lab test records of the patients. This is about the database. Now let's see the project. Online eye care system. This is developed to make the entire hospitality system online. There are 3 users in this project, that is administrator, doctor and the patient. Administrator is the main user of the system and he can manage complete optical shop records. Doctor can add treatment details and prescription details. He can view appointment details taken by the patient. Patient can register to the system by entering registration details. After the registration, he needs to log into the system. Patient can view treatment details. He can take and view appointment and he can view special orders. Now let us log in as admin. Admin can log in by mentioning the login ID, password and must select the type whether it is a admin or the doctor. Under update profile, here admin can update their profile. In change password, admin can change their password by mentioning old password, new password and confirm password. Under accounts in patient, here admin can view the various patients and they also have an action delete. In cancel appointments, admin can cancel the appointments made by various patients. In maintenance, under add branch, here the admin can add the various branches of the clinics where it is situated in. That is by mentioning the branch name and description. Once the branch is added, admin can view the branch details. They also have an action edit and delete. Under add admin, here admin can add the various other admins or staffs and they have to select the branch name. Once the admins are added, admin can view the details and they also have an action to edit and delete. Under add doctor, here admin can add the doctors, that is by mentioning their first name, last name, the clinic name, email ID, login ID, password and confirm password, phone number and mobile number, where phone number is optional, and admin must select the branch name of the doctor, that is in which location the doctor is working. Under accounts in doctors, here admin can view the various doctors added along with an action edit and delete. Under add patient, admin can even add the patient details. And under add products, here admin can add the products, that is by selecting the product names. It can be lens, frames, etc. and also the subtype of the products and the name of the product. Color of the product, cost of the product, and admin must select the branch name, that is in which branch this product is available, and the quantity and image of the product must be mentioned. Once the product is added, admin can also view the products under view products. Here we can see the newly added product, that is the product name Vincent Chase, product type frames, and admin also has an action to edit or delete the product details. In inventory, here admin can view the sales information and the product inventories. In sales inventory, here admin can view the various products, and admin can even search by selecting the branch, that is in which branch what are the products available can also be searched by the admin. Admin can view the quantity information. Once the admin logs out, the control is redirected to the home page. Now let's log in as doctor. Doctor must log in by mentioning their login ID and password. They must also select the type as doctor. Under update profile, doctor can update their profile details, and in change password, doctor can change their password by mentioning the password details. Under view patient, here doctor can view the various patients, and they also have an action to delete the patient record. And under add patient, here the doctor can add the patient details. Under view appointments, here doctor can view the appointments made by various patients, and doctor can update the appointment details, that is by entering the test results. Here the test results related to eye care is added. We can see the patient name Ajit and the doctor name Sudhindra. Doctor must select whether the patient requires specs or not. Doctor can also give the remarks, that is if any medication is needed. Once the test results are saved, doctor can add the prescription details. Here doctor can mention the medicine name, the mg of the medicine, the dosage, and the number of days the medicine should be taken by the patient. Doctor can also give the remarks, that is, if it is required for the patient to visit again, it must be written in the remarks. Once the prescription is saved, doctor can generate their bill. Here doctor can mention the test fees, consultation fees and other fees details. Once the bill is generated, here now we can see that the patient details status is done. This is about the doctor. Once the doctor logs out, the control is redirected to the home page. Now let's register as patient. To make an appointment, patient must register by mentioning their first name, last name, gender, email ID, password and contact number. Once the patient registers successfully, they can log in by mentioning their email ID and password. Under update profile, patient can update their other details such as their date of birth and address. Under change password, patient can change their password details. In book an eye test, here patient can set an appointment, that is by selecting the branch name, doctor's name and then selecting the appointment date. On selecting the appointment date, they must select the time of appointment. Once the appointment is set, under cancel appointment, patient can cancel their appointment details if they do not require an appointment. This is about the patient. Once the patient logs out, the control is redirected to the home page. This is about the project Online Eye Care System. For further details, kindly visit our website.